Hi, this is Craig Sparks from Wild About Cars No Limits magazine. We're here at the Lincoln Electric exhibit at the SEMA show with Mike Mintun, who's their VP of Marketing, and Phil Fugenzi from their Los Angeles office. Mike, glad to see you.
Nice to see you.
Why don't you give us an idea of what you're exhibiting at SEMA this year?
Great. Well, thanks. We're exhibiting today really our full line of welding and cutting solutions, really for the home hobbyist, the car enthusiast, and also for light industrial customers who use our products.
That's fantastic. Well, a lot of our own subscribers are the home hobbyists. What would you recommend for the home hobbyist in their garage for welding equipment?
Sure. So we have a number of things that we'd recommend, starting out with a machine we call the PowerMig 180 Dual. It's a machine that operates off either 115 or 230 volts input, so
that's good.
You can use it in pretty much any application. And it gives the customer the ability to weld in a variety of materials, including mild steel, stainless, and aluminum.
Is that a MIG-type welder?
It is a MIG welder.
Great, great. Well, that's fantastic.
Yep.
What new products are you exhibiting today?
Okay, so some of the other exciting things that we have here today, a machine that's right over here, this is called a Torchmate plasma cutting table. So this is really designed for, again, an individual home hobbyist type of situation. Where you can get into a plasma cutting table, an automated plasma cutting table for under $10,000.
Boy, I like that. That is nice. That is nice. Well, I went on your website and I was really impressed with the amount of support that you give to your customers. Tell us about your customer support and all the things that you have.
Yeah, so we really think that our customer support is really what differentiates Lincoln from anyone else in our space. We really are committed to providing complete solutions to our customers. And that includes helping them, at their shops in some cases. But we've got technical resources online where people can go on and get tips on how to do things better.
What about instruction, like for welding?
Absolutely, we've got that available. We've got YouTube videos that show people how to do things,
great.
And so we're pretty progressive in that area.
That's fantastic. What's coming up? What should we look forward from Lincoln?
So I think one of the big areas of focus, and we actually do have a unit on display behind the Torchmate table, is robotics. So one of the neat things about welding is robotics have really come down in price to where they're now more more in reach for a typical smaller end user. So these things used to be $500,000 systems. Today you can get into a robot for about $50,000.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yep.
Well, again, we're here with the Lincoln Electric people at SEMA, and I want to thank everyone. Mike, thank you.
Thank you.
Phil, thank you very much. Take care.
So this is a product that was developed for a customer of ours that basically has welding and rigging applications. So this is what we call knuckle buster material on the back to protect their hands. It also gives them the hand dexterity required for doing multiple type applications. So good for welding, good for rigging and moving things around the yard. So this is called the Jesse versus a Robot helmet. This is the largest viewing window on the market today, the 3380 series. We're changing our headgear to this swivel style headgear, and that's going to be a standard issued helmet for all of our series. The standard, or the swivel headgear is actually a lot more comfortable, and this is going to be a standard feature on the rest of our helmets, the 1740, the 1850, and the 3350.
We've got the vision on here as well, where we're taking a snapshot of the part with this control arm. Takes a picture, we'll move the part, then it creates an offset. Move the part, now the camera's going to come in, take a shot, take a break.
inside of that, you can see the runners inside of it. Magnum Pro guns. Okay. These are our new Magnum Pro guns. They have flat threads on the diffuser so that they don't have cross threading. And then we also have tapered tips to enable them to heat and cool faster.